Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you request a refund from GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of the website, where in the upper right corner we can go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, where we can get started finding a domain name we want to use. We can see all our products and services we have and so on. So let's go ahead guys and see how to get a refund. Basically guys, if you want to get a refund, it's easy and you'll be able to get it from GoDaddy, but this is what you have to do. As you can see, here are the steps you need to take to request a refund. What you need to do is go ahead and read the refund policy to make sure you fall under the refund rules so that you can get your refund, and after that you want to go ahead and delete the product or service that you have bought or domain that you have bought from GoDaddy. After you have deleted it guys and cancel the subscription, you can go ahead and contact their customer support. So here is their customer support where we can get started with chatting with them. So you can go ahead and call them or start chatting now to go ahead and request a refund. So you want to tell them what the problem is and why you want the refund. After that, somebody will talk to you about it and give you back your money. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.